Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Village. To begin your adventure, first download the game from your preferred app store. Once installed, complete the initial tutorial. It's crucial for understanding the basic game mechanics. Next, you'll choose your very first dragon egg, so pick wisely. Finally, take a moment to understand the different dragon types and their unique elemental properties. Once you have an egg, place it in the hatchery to begin incubation. This process takes a specific amount of time. After hatching, you'll need to feed your dragons regularly to ensure they grow strong and healthy. Don't forget to train them in the training grounds to boost their attack, defense, and health stats. When a dragon reaches its maximum level, you can evolve it into a more powerful form. As your dragons grow, you'll want to explore the vast world to discover new species and challenges. Engage in exciting battles against other creatures to earn experience points, gold, and other valuable rewards. When forming your team, aim for a balanced composition with 3 to 5 dragons of diverse elemental types. Remember to utilize your dragon's unique skills strategically during combat for maximum effect. Your village is key to your success. Construct various buildings like farms and mines to generate essential resources such as gold and food. Collect these resources, along with precious gems, to purchase upgrades for your dragons and structures. Make sure to participate in daily and weekly events. They offer exclusive dragons and valuable rewards. Finally, consider joining a guild to collaborate with other players and tackle challenging content together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.